So Abby says to me, can you get anything about G? And then they said that she's alive, that she is Abby's girlfriend, or was Abby's girlfriend, and that she ghosted Abby. And that this ghosting occurred roughly 2 decades ago. And that Abby is asking about it because she cannot let anything go. But in particular, she cannot let go abandonment.
Clearly.
Yeah.
That's devastating.
Yeah. And she didn't see it coming. She really doesn't understand what has happened, and that she thought perhaps this would give her some closure if somebody could tell her exactly what happened. And she, Abby, does not feel like she can call G and say, hey, how come you ghosted me 2 decades ago? Without also feeling the shame of, and I can't get over it.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.